morning, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. Today I'm going to put these pockets in my fall journal over there. These three I'm going to sew around the edges, and these three I'm not going to sew around the edges. So I'll take you over to my sewing machine now. So as you can see, I sewed around with a large zigzag stitch and a green thread on each one. And I'm going to put one of each in each signature, and then I'm going to put this belly band in the middle signature. I have this fabric. I got it from Dollar Tree. It's really pretty. So, but I'm only going to make one belly band with it. I glued the ribbon to some cardstock to make it sturdier. So now we just gotta figure out what pages to put our... I'm probably gonna put them on blank pages. So maybe I'll do them in the middle. Well, maybe not the middle, because I'll probably put this in the middle of the middle one. I don't know. Let's count the pages. So we've got, this is the, let's put it on the 4th page of each signature. So we'll put this, we'll put these on the 4th page of each signature. So I'm going to do that, get my rubber tack out. We are having a beautiful day on September 5th, and I hope you are too. I'm going to be making some minor channel announcements soon, so be on the lookout for that. So that's going to go there. And now we'll go to the 2nd signature, and oh, actually let's do it in order, because I'll forget what page is what. Go to the 4th page of the 2nd signature. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put this one here. I always try to get an ample amount of glue on the stitches. And I like to do it, sew it this way and then glue them on, because I don't like seeing the stitching on the other side of the page. So I always do it like this. Or if I do sew it directly to the page, I cover up. Uh-oh. That looks upside down, but it's not. Okay, 3rd signature, 4th page. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to go here, just like that. Usually I cut off really long strings, but I guess I didn't this time. I may still do it. So that's going to go like this. Whoa! I am forever losing my glue lately, it seems. I thought it was because I was putting it on top of the scissors. But I guess not. Alright, so now we'll go back to this 1st signature. And maybe we'll just do it on the back of this side in the back. So we'll do it here. Which one shall it be? This one I'll save for the 3rd signature, because that's most likely where Thanksgiving is going to be. So we'll put this one in here. There we go. Now we'll go back to this one. when was it on? Okay, so it's on the back of that tree thing. So it's going to go here. We'll put this one here. So now they're all on the same pages. I kind of like to do that. I kind of like to have a little bit of a formula for how I do things. And sort of like assembly line. It just works better for me that way. But of course, you know, you can do whatever you want. Then on the back of this page is where I think we passed it already. Did we? Oh, there it is. So this is going to go here. I don't know if you can hear my sirens. For a small city, we have a lot of sirens, but we were just named one of the 10 safest cities in the state, so that's nice. All right. Oh, I still have this to do, and that's going in the middle of the middle. So I guess I'll put this one right here. So it's only going to get glue on the ends. I could do it as a side pocket, but I don't know. I hardly ever make these kind of belly bands, so let's do it. Alright, whoops. Uh-oh, it's upside down. My mushrooms are upside down. Okay, that's looking good. We'll probably use a bunch of these things in the pockets and such, since I have them all ready to go. And someday I'll probably, as I go along, I like to decorate as I go along actually. Sorry, I hope you saw that. I like to decorate as I go along and not ahead of time too much, so I probably will end up, you know, making more homemade tags to go in all these pockets, but for now, this one's obviously got to go in the let's put this one in here. The turkey's going to go in the Thanksgiving one. Let's see, what do we got here? Where to go? Okay, this one would look good here. It's got the same purple. And we also have this pocket. So for now, I think I'm just going to put a placeholder tag in there. So we'll put a tag in this one. And we'll do the same with the other ones. So let's put this in here. So that'll go there, and we'll put a tag in the back. Where is it? Where's the tag? Where's the pocket? There it is. We'll put this in here for now. And back here, we'll put "Let's Eat" and another tag. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.